Well, I got a little creative. This is the idea that I had before I bought the bike. That's why I wanted to buy a black frame. And it's another reason why I got a black and orange helmet. You know, it's a Harley color. It's a motorcycle. Plus orange is bright. You know, people see it pops. It's kind of like the neutral bright color that I like. You know, if it wasn't for this, it'd probably be like yellow. It definitely wouldn't be green. Maybe purple. I like purple, but I wanted it to be orange and black because I just think that's a strong color, strong two colors for bikes. Here you can see it had the xpro thing, and I just took this. It's basically a roll of sticky vinyl. I still got a whole bunch left. I think I paid like $8 for this roll. So for $8, I just did all the decals on the plastics. I took all the xpro stuff off except for some of this secondary coloring. So basically you get some of this and you just start chopping up little triangles and shit. The key to it is to keep a straight line. You want your formation, and to try to keep the spacing the same. See here how we got the straight line all the way around. And right here, I'd show you the other side too, but there's no light over there, so it's basically just gonna be dark. Let's give it a shot. I don't know if it will work, but a little bit, but you can see there it's identical. This part was fun. I just got creative, and the headlight was fun to do. Looks like a damn transformer. And the shock guards, I didn't know what to do there. I started getting really tired of cutting shit up and sticking it. So I'm like, I'm just gonna put strips. It don't even match, but that's the whole scheme of the bike. That's what makes it easy. You don't have to match lines or nothing. It's like abstract art. You know, if you try to get me to cut, you know, perfect lines and this and that, it would look like crap. But if you make it look like crap on purpose, it looks good. So yeah, it's the video, man. I'm digging it. It's too bad I got a flat tire. I gotta wait till next week. Helmet's pretty cool. It's got some stars. Maybe I'll put some stars on it since the helmet's got white stars. It's kind of ironic because my trailer's the same way. This is my RV toy hauler 6x10 conversion. It's got a chimney and all that stuff. So yeah, man, it was a lot of fun to do. It took about 3 hours. Took all the panels off, took them inside, sat there at the dinner table, and just start cutting away and sticking. So that's a wrap. Let's give it a cold start. Let's see what happens. So you raise it up for choke. Field line needs to be down. That's on. This on. Let's give it a start. Oh, key. Always forget the key. Island too high. Fix that air fuel mixture. That's why it's smoking. I didn't figure it out yet. It almost seems like it's too rich. That's probably why it's smoking. That wraps up the video, y'all. I know you're probably looking at it like, what the fuck? It's fucking smoking? Nah, it's not a two-stroke. No, it's that air fuel mixture screw that's up under there. It's a bitch to get to, man. They're so stupid. They should have put like a little twist deal. That's a wrap, y'all. Hope you like it. 2022 xpro 125 semi-automatic transmission. Makes drinking and driving real easy. No clutch, baby. Peace.